Hey guys, it's me, your Ate Ace, ay nagbabalik na naman sa Grow a Garden, and now I am joining to my server. So, as you can see guys, kung bago ka lang dito sa channel ko, don't forget to comment your username and add me guys, and also, you can feel free to support me guys. Here it is, meron na tayo sa Grow a Garden. As you can see, the game is still loading. Hopefully, let's check the game if my garden is improving na naman while I'm offline. There it is. As you can see guys, I'm using my data load. So as you can see, uh, I'm still slow and tignan nyo guys, super slow and loading. But it's okay. I appreciate my data load because that's only I can afford from now on. But if you continue supporting me guys, I can afford the Wi-Fi 1 month for always as always, or maybe a whole year load ba. And by the way, for my next guys is I will be going be busy in my guys because uh, ilang months na lang, I mean ilang weeks na lang, magsa-start na yung aming schooling in the first year college. So, I am a first year college as you ask. And I'm still, guys, I'm still, tawag niyan, struggling in pronouncing English because of my tongue. There is a defect of my tongue because I get tawag niyan, singaw when I have in my childhood. But it's okay, as you understand, guys. Hopefully, you will not mock me or laugh at me because I'm sound like this. But it's okay if you like guys, I'm buying a tomato here because we need it in the summer harvest. As you can see, we will be recalling orange, maybe not. We will be working for that. Hopefully, guys, we will get a good stock in there and in the egg shop. So, as you can see, 24 minutes pa and 31 seconds bago mag-start yung And there it is, guys. And what I see is do you see that, guys? I see the paradise egg. Yoo-hoo! Yes, we get this. Finally, meron na din tayong paradise, guys. Paradise egg for the first time. This is my first time, guys. Sa maniwala kayo o hindi, this is my first time getting the paradise egg. As you can see, 40% for the ostrich, 30% for the peacock, 21% for the capybara, and 8% for the scarlet macaw, and 1% for the guys, tawag nan mimic octopus. And here we go, guys. I will be trading my huge bunny for a kaching. Do you know the kaching, guys? Is I need money for my load, guys. So 150 pesos for this huge bunny. I hope, guys, the good I will be guys, I need the load. So I will be saying goodbye to this huge bunny as we go further, and hopefully the is legit. And yeah, it's legit. He already bought it with me because the buyer is already my cousin. That sounds like funny, guys, but we are not doing trade for trade, not for di kagaya ng iba, not like others, like they are doing it We are doing just it for fun. So don't make it serious. Don't take it seriously, guys. We are just making it fun, and just don't make it serious. We are just kidding, guys. I will be trading this for no money, guys. So that's it. I will be giving it for free. Kidding. Yes, I will be giving it to him, but he insists to give me a payment, so I can get another load for so I can supply a load for my own data, so I can record as much as I can, guys. So let's see on my cousin garden. So on 3, 2, 1, let's go. Here it is, guys. My cousin is joining now and in the game in my server, and here it is. He is here in my game right now, and I will be giving this and trade for this for him. And as you can see, he had good pets and good design of the his garden. And as you can see, I will be saying goodbye to my one and only huge bunny. Thank you for the memories, and I will be giving it to my cousin. So say kaching kaching kidding, guys. So it's just for fun, guys, and we will be giving it back. So don't take it seriously. And kung nakaabot ka man sa video na to, guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to add me. And see you in my next video. And guys, hopefully we can make memories while I am not busy. So add me there. So let's see and let's collab if you want. If you are a content creator, let's collab, guys. So we can be friends and we will grow together, guys. So there it is. And as you can see, I will be giving soon my good pets and other. So as you can see, I don't have mouse. My cousin want a mouse, gray mouse, and he will use it in the sale to get a good pet.